Everybody, new video as you can see. Of course I'm doing a video because you're watching it. Whatever, anyways. Me and Sky were supposed to go to a skateboarding event, but that got cancelled, so I couldn't record that. It's canceled concerning rain. Dumbass rain. So, I'm stuck in the house by myself because my mom's at work. With the dog. So, maybe tomorrow they'll redo it. Then I can film. So, maybe. Yes. No. Possibly. I don't really know. She knows more than I do. Anyways, that's all for me in this short ass video. Only at like a minute and 3 seconds so far. Yeah. Bye, I guess. Possibly. I don't really know. Thanks, bye. Hello. A fuego.